Hi guys! Welcome back to my video. Ian here. So I'll show you my moringa. Dito yata sa village namin ako lang yung may malunggay, kamunggay or moringa. O yan, do you know what? The moringa has its 15 health benefits. Ayan, protecting and nourishing skin and hair, treating edema, protecting the liver, preventing and treating cancer, treating stomach upset, and fighting foodborne bacterial infections, preventing rheumatoid arthritis, treating mood and nervous system disorders, protecting the cardiovascular system, treating diabetes, treating asthma, preventing kidney stones, reducing high blood pressure, improving eyesight, treating anemia and sickle cell disease. Ayan, napakaraming health benefits niya guys. Ayan, and thank you for watching. I love you all, I love you all. Maraming salamat sa pag-comment sa inyong lahat ng mga supports. I love you guys. Thank you.